Hey guys, Creeperjack here. Welcome back to another video. Today I am back with Sound Like an Idiot version 2, number 3 I think. Yeah, number 3. And today my friend Andrew and I, separate episodes once again, we're gonna be I already sound like an idiot. We're gonna be talking about our favorite food and why it's our favorite food. That's my friend laughing right now. And so see you guys after the idioticness ends. Hey guys, Creeper Jack here, and my favorite food is spaghetti and meatballs. And why it's my favorite food is because my mom is from New Jersey, and she would always give me her homemade spaghetti for dinner, and then we would eat leftovers the night after my mom made it the first time. And Jersey is very Italian, so I just got used to that food, and it was my favorite taste. And then that is why. Oh yeah. And we always used to go to Italian restaurants, and that it is, guys. That is why spaghetti and meatballs is my favorite food. I felt like I was singing. Wait, am I singing? Okay, I just asked my friend. I just asked my friend if I was singing. So apparently I wasn't, and I feel idiotic and stupid. Oh. Alright, if you guys enjoyed that, don't leave a like and subscribe. Let us know what we should do next in the comments. What should we describe next? And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.